Hi, I'm Neve from the 3XM Client Happiness team. We're here to make your experience with us as smooth and simple as possible. In this video, I'll show you how to use TED, our product configurator, to create and customize your orders on your 3XM account. As you can see, TED is a step-by-step design system, so we'll start at the very top. Select product type. Here you will see our full product range. So today we're going to hit Premium Window Box. And as you can see on the left, the design will change as you're choosing your components. Next is select size. So you have a choice between 10 by 8 and 14 by 11. And today we're going to choose size 10 by 8. Next is select capacity. You can fit up to 20 matte prints in the box. And if you choose up to 30, you can fit up to 30 matte prints in the box. Moving on down, you have select a box. Now we've already chosen Premium Mode Window Box. Now we're going to choose our colour. So you have a choice between walnut, black and white, and today we're going to choose black. Next is select a quantum or USB. So with the USBs, you have a choice between 8GB, 16GB and 32GB. With the crystal USB, you can choose a lid colour choice here. So for example, if we choose rose gold, you can see it updates over here. And then you have the jeweled heart USB, which you can see here as well. If you choose to have none, all this means is you won't receive a quantum or USB and you will receive a blank insert in the box with no space for USB. But today we're going to choose quantum, and if you do want a little bit more information on quantum, you can hit what is quantum here and it will show you just a little short video. Today I'm going to choose 100 images, but you can get different options. You have 250, 500, 750 and 1000. If you did want to upgrade the card from 100 at a future date, you can do this. Just reach out to us, ch@3xmsolution.com, and here we can upgrade the card for you. Just give us all the details. Next is select a gift bag. So you have the option between ivory and duck egg. This is the free paper gift bag. If you did want to add a little bit of luxury, you can use our canvas bag, which just costs a little bit extra, but it does look beautiful with the box. There are times where you won't need a bag at all and you can hit no gift bag, that's no problem. Today we're going to opt for the canvas bag. So as you can see, the design has updated here on the left. Select mats and prints. You can see you can have the option for prints included or no prints. If you choose no prints, you see we have the ultimate locking mats, standard mats and a fine art mat. You can learn more about these mats if you hit the learn more button here, and you'll see you can have a read there just on the different types. You can also choose to have no mats, and that's no problem. The box will come empty. But today we're going to go with prints included. You have a choice between matted prints and flush mounted prints. So we're going to go for matted prints. And as you can see, you can have a minimum of 5 right up to 20 mats. So today we'll choose 20 matte prints. You can then select your size. So you have a choice between 8 by 6 and 7 by 5. So we'll choose 8 by 6. Then you have select paper type. We have luster, glossy, Fuji Art Matte, Photo Rag, William Turner and Pearl. And today I'm going to go for Fuji Art Max. This will be one of my personal favorites. Next is select matte color. So we have black, ivory and white. So I'm going to choose black just because I think it looks nice with the black box. You can add on additional accessories here. So this would be, for example, the false base. Now the false base is there if you choose to have, say, for example, 15 matte prints in a box. You can use the false base just to fill in the gap. You can also add on extra packs of mats here if you did need them. That's no problem. You just hit add to cart. Next is a branding option. Now this here is just giving you the information that when you add the box to your cart, here is where you add your branding. So you can add your box branding, your quantum card branding, and you can also upload your images for the prints. Then you'll see at the very bottom here, it just gives you the breakdown of what's on your order. And then here you can hit add to cart. Although if you did need a duplicate of the box, that's no problem. You can add them here. But today we're going to go for one. So once you will see, please name your creation. So here you can just choose anything you want, whatever is easiest. It just means that when you go back in to reorder it, you know which box it is. So I'm going to choose today my Easter session. And I'm just going to save it as a new design. So that will be there then for future orders. From here on out, you can go to your cart and you will see the design there with the breakdown.